Hi, this is Meridith Elliott Powell, and welcome to my home here in Asheville, North Carolina, where I have been for about the last 55 days. But I'm shooting this video because I'm really excited to be joining you on June the 20th. We're going to talk about one of my favorite subjects and something that I think is really critical, and that is emerge successful. Strategies to reinvent, relaunch, and rebuild your business. What do we really need to be doing to be successful in today's marketplace and whatever the new normal is going to be? Listen, our world has been massively disrupted. Who thought a virus could cause things like social distancing, business shutting down, and got us wondering when, if ever, things are going to be returning to normal and even what normal is going to look like. So I designed this program to really dive into the strategies, the things that we need to be focusing on as speakers to be rebuilding, relaunching, and redesigning our businesses. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now, and I'll see you on June the 20th for this really innovative program where we're going to interact, roll up our sleeves, get to work, and build your cutting-edge, innovative strategy to emerge successful.